A very good morning to everyone. So today, welcome to my channel Kaizen Skill Training. We are here to talk about one important aspect which is called creativity. So what exactly is creativity? Since childhood we have always heard of this, think out of the box. But creativity is not just thinking out of the box. It is thinking as if there is no box. Creativity is not just art, craft, dance, music. These are forms of arts. Creativity is way ahead of it. So what exactly is creativity? Creativity is when you are doing a task which has been assigned to you with utmost zeal. You find out new ways that you can, better that task. That is what is creativity. Creativity is when that you design a new process by first understanding the existing one. It's like knowing the games of the rules so thoroughly that you can break them as and when you want. So the best example of creativity that I can give to my viewers is from your mom. Have you ever noticed the fact that whenever there is a leftover at your home, what does your mom do? Yes, she on the very next day cooks a so delicious dish that you forget that it was made out of something leftover. That is creativity. Creativity is there in every aspect of your life, right from when you were born, right from your childhood to the time that you have entered into a corporate world. Everything is related to creativity. When you are in college, you find out new ways. Hasn't been a case with you when you have reached the class late and you have very innovatively found out some new reason, or you were able to convince your professor about bunking a class because of creativity. So creativity is there in every person. How we unleash the aspect of creativity, which dimension of creativity that we unleash. But creativity is not just limited to a thought. Creativity is a huge process. It's a long process that you have to undergo. Do you think the job of a comedian is easy because he's making everyone laugh? Do you know that how much time it takes to really crack that one joke on which you will laugh out bursting? Have you ever thought of it? So now is the time. This video is being shot at a time when there is uncertainty all around. So unleash your creativity in these uncertain times. And now we'll be moving towards interviewing a person from the corporate world for him to tell you about what exactly is creativity, how creativity has helped him move to different arenas in his life, how creatively he was able to solve the problems that was presented to him, the challenges that was presented to him in his corporate world. We'll be interviewing Mr. Arun Singh. Mr. Arun Singh now is a proud entrepreneur and he's running his entrepreneurial venture by the name Armon International successfully for the past 5 years. He established that in the year 2015. So let me just tell you a brief about Mr. Arun. So Mr. Arun, he's been a business leader with almost 20 years of experience across diverse industries. Agricultural commodities and inputs, architectural and home improvement products, and telecom infrastructure. He was a graduate in agricultural sciences and he has done his post-graduation from the prestigious Indian School of Business, specializing in business strategy and marketing. In his last corporate assignment as a director of sales and marketing with the Mosaic Company, he has grown and expanded the company's distribution business growing it to a network of 4,000 plus rural retail outlets. He is empaneled on the expert panel of Athenium Partners. He provides advisory for the S&D forecast and supply chain optimization strategies to global crop nutrition majors. Well, a person of this prestige, when he'll be talking about creatively, what led to him giving up the corporate, experience, the corporate job, and starting his own venture? That is what our viewers will give a clarity on what is creativity and how can you, sitting right there at your screen, can unleash the power of your creativity. So stay tuned for the next part, and if you really like this video, just press the bell icon down and subscribe to our channel. Till then, thank you.